Spring is in the air. I need to prepare my backyard for the summer parties, you know, birthday stuff, family gathering, and it's 4 weeks to go before the summer starts, and things starts to grow fast. Like, look at the grass and some of the plants, flowers. I'll give you a quick tour of my this backyard and how do I maintain this green grass of home. Alright, this is the deck, guys. I built this deck before. This is really empty, so I put this deck. I put the fireplace area. I made those plant boxes. Put some gravel on that side because it's a lot of mowing area, at least now. It's smaller compared before. So yeah, this is the gazebo and the deck. I built this, I think it's around 6 years ago. I have a sink here too. The rain barrel. I start collecting rainwater now, but yeah, I just put it, so I'm all set because the water bills are all going up. Over here I got some peter melon, celery. So we planted this a few days ago. There you go. So it's gonna, I hope this thing will work. I just put this side. This is the shed. This is where my mini storage. That's my toy during the winter, the snow blower, and during the summer, this is my toy, the grass cutter. So basically, this shed is the storage for all the camping stuff, tables and chair, decoration, some other stuff that you can't leave outside. Yeah, kind of messy. So those brown chairs, I put them around the fire pit area here. Whenever my friends are here, families here. This side, we got some eggplant. Over here, sweet potato. We're gonna put some pepper on this side, and here we got some tomatoes. I hope we'll get more fruits this time, and we'll put them in a freezer. It's not bad. It's hard to maintain to have this big property. I need to put some fertilizer regularly. Maintain the grass, the height of the grass. If not, it's gonna be like this. This is the city property, so lots of weeds. And mine's all green. That's the city property. Allergy. Alright, I need to prepare my toy and get ready to cut some grass. whenever I work outside, I make sure I protect my face from the sun. You know, we're not getting any younger. So after cutting grass, I'm gonna put some fertilizer because tomorrow it's gonna rain. Those are the perfect times to put the fertilizer. So the water will spread the fertilizer evenly on the grass, and they're gonna be more healthier. Okay, I'm done. So it's been trimmed. The grass been trimmed. It's time to put some fertilizer on it. Honestly, I don't know anything about maintaining the lawn, but because of the some of the YouTube videos, I learned from it. So here's the fertilizer. So you have to set how much fertilizer that you need to put on the lawn, so it won't burn them. And that's it. Tomorrow it's gonna rain, and it will be my grass is gonna be happy with the fertilizer and the rain. This is what I do after the long day of work. I hope you like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. Cheers.